Hi guys, CuriousBaby63 here, and today I am playing World of Warships Legends. And I already played this before, and I made it to the Tennessee. Whatever this is called. Oh shoot. Whatever this is called. So, I am going to do a brawl today for my first video. And right now I have just these boosters. Also, I'm playing on mobile. So, do I have any more boosters? No. No. Yeah. Upgrades. Nothing else for that. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, we're in the northern waters. And let's try to get that one. Oh, the North Carolina's here. Wait 1 second. Shanhorse. Okay. So let's try to head over there. What are you firing? Who's firing over? Oh. He's firing. That was just there. Oh, yeah, that's right there. Who is that firing? Oh, that's in North Carolina right there. Why is he firing at the mountains? Who knows? Who knows what this guy's doing? I don't know. Oh, there's the destroyer's over there. I think. Oh, he's there. Yeah. Oh, never mind. It's a destroyer. Not a destroyer. What the heck? It's the Abba something. I don't know. Fire! Why am I using HE? Oh, never mind. What I'm saying with HE. Why am I using HE? I didn't change that. What the heck? Boom. Ooh, his health is low. And he's backing up. Kaboom. Yay. Oh. Boo hoo. How have I not hit? Or is this the same one or the other one? Is there? Oh, being dumb right now. Anyway, battleship that is firing at me. Wee, clunk. Oh, there you are. Oh my gosh, bro. Lock onto him. And no. Yeah. Oh. Well. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, I got the stern gun. Why do I have a... Oh, torch. How have I... Shoot. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna die. Well, bye-bye. Okay. We already died. Were we the first ones dead? Oh. This team... This battle is bad. Okay, so... Fire your guns, my god. Yay, wee. Splash. You completely missed. What the heck? He fired his rear guns. And he missed again. I think he missed again. I can't tell. I didn't see his health go down, so probably he missed. You should. Oh, you got a hit now. Now get your bell guns in. Your guns in the F thing. I forget the terminal. Oh, there you go. Now get to North Carolina. North Carolina. And if you want to see more, press the like button and maybe subscribe if you want to. And there's a destroyer right there, so get that destroyer, you shun horse. Is this the only... Oh. He's over here. What are you firing at? You hit the island, you person over there. Where my curse? Where that white dot is? Whoever's over there. Oh, that's in North Carolina. Oh no. Clunk, clunk, clunk. Ba-da-bum-bum. Pew, pew, pew. Clunkety, clunk, clunk. You are bad at shooting. Do you have torps? I can't tell. Because I don't think I can zoom in mobile. Uh-oh. Oh, no, you're dead. Oh, you're dead. My guy, you're dead. Maybe. If their guns aren't aimed at you, then maybe. Oh, you're firing. Why are you firing at them? There's a North Carolina right there that just shoot. Oh, yeah, that killed you. Oh, we're done. Okay. Defeat again. I got that, and that. Economy. Oh. Progress. Not really anything. So that's the end of today's video. And if you would like to see more, press that like button. Bye.